Hi guys, welcome to Laravel and the React beginners tutorial. This is my first tutorial. This will be a series on the Laravel and the React. I will start with the very basic, like the how to install the Laravel, how to install the React inside the Laravel, and how to build the complete CRUD application. This will be a very basic step-by-step guides. Let me show you demo. Okay, I'm going to create this application from where you will be able to add the records in the database, you will be able to list the records, you will be able to do the pagination, and also you will be able to edit the records from here. Okay, records, you will be able to delete the records from the database. Okay, uh, if you follow this tutorial from beginning to the end, you will be able to create this application. I hope this series will be helpful for you guys. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to comment and the subscribe.